Hello and welcome to our video on the definition of parallelograms. And the definition of a parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. And you can see by my markings on my drawing that make these arrows a little bit bigger, you can see that these two sides are parallel and the top and bottom are also parallel. I mean, they're marked different with a different amount of arrows, just like if they were congruent, we'd be marking them with little vertical lines. But they're not necessarily congruent. What we can do with these is we are going to use our properties that we learned in Unit 1 about parallel lines and their transversals to prove things about these parallelograms. So we'll be able to prove things about angles and sides and things like that. And so you can see that I extended the two sides of my parallelogram to show that I have two parallel lines cut by either a transversal on the bottom or a transversal on the top. And so we're going to be relying on those properties to help us prove things about the parallelogram. And that's one of the things that we'll be covered in class. What you need to get away from this video is to understand that the opposite sides are parallel, and that's the basic definition of a parallelogram.